no gold is not enough.
Guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to get some data and display on this page just to show that our connection is working. So in the last video we had the data for database connection successfully. So if I go to the db.php, we created these variables and passed to mysqli underscore connect and pass this variable. Then we are displaying it. Now we call these inside the index.php, and on the top include db/db.php. So now as we include this here, so we can access this connection variable, so we can use this here. So what I want to do, I want to show all the country names from the database. So if I go to the database here, we have the countries table. So I want to show these names on our front page here. So let's do that. So here, as we have the DB on the top, we can access to the connection. So what I can say inside this PHP, what I do, I simply remove this code, and here I'm going to write create a variable $SQL. Now if you remember, we did some SQL queries, so that's what we are going to use now here. So I say select all from country. Alright, so this is something that we did in the PHP myadmins, and we are doing here. Now to get the data, we need to use connection as well. So we say here $results, and we want to use mysqli underscore query, and we are going to pass the connection first. Alright, so and the second going to be the query, so SQL, just like this. Now if you want to, you can simply put this directly there, but this is a bit neat way to do it. You have your query separate from the MySQL call, so MySQL query function. So here what I want to do, we want to check if result says something. So what we need to do here is if $results, so if we have any data in it, then if mysqli underscore num underscore rows, and we are going to pass this variable $results in it. Now we are checking if we have data, and here we are going to run a while loop, and in this while loop we are going to say $row is equal to another mysqli function. Alright, so this is a mysqli fetch sock, and we are going to pass our results into it, and then we can print it. So I say echo, and I can say here country, I need to put it inside quotes, country name, and here we can display the country name $row, and we put country, and spelling should be right. Alright, now I want the country name to come one after the other in vertical way, so I put the BR as well. Alright, I save this. So if everything is working, we should have the country name list here. So refresh, undefined constant country, line 27, country. Okay, we need to pass it in like this. So now refresh again. Alright, you can see that country name Austria, United States, Australia, Canada. So we have all the records. If you want to, we can even show the amount. So for that I put here parentheses, break the parentheses inside. I say and amount. So if we go back and refresh, we have their amount as well. So this is how you call and get the data. So we are simply saying like, okay, MySQL query, do a query. First we are providing the connection to database. If it is true, it is successful, we passing the query. If we have results, either you can say is set, or you can put straight away this way. If the condition is true, we go here. Now here we are checking rows using MySQL function. If it is more than 0, then we are getting MySQL fetch assoc, which is associative array. So so we can use the function MySQL fetch assoc, or we can use MySQL fetch array. So save this, go there and refresh the page, and the same results are there. So it's just working fine for us. Now if you want to, you can even do more things here on that, where id equals 1. I save this, go here, refresh, we get Austria only. So you can do whatever you want to do with the data. You can put here, and if I want to say or id equals 2, so we will get 2 records in this case. So I go here, back, Austria and Australia, so United States, according to the IDs. Hope you like this video. I'll leave the code into the description link so you can download it, and you are free to edit it and practice on it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.